Clinical development is facing some monumental challenges. First, there's an enormous volume of data that sponsors and CROs need to collect, clean, and analyze to move their trials forward. Second, there's a lack of resources to process and make sense of all this data. And as a result, patients are waiting longer for life-changing treatments. How can we solve these challenges together? We can automate routine processes within clinical development, leveraging artificial intelligence and machine learning to help, accelerating your trials, and ensuring patients get the treatments they need quickly. Saama's platform automates routine data processing and analysis tasks using more than 90 artificial intelligence and machine learning models. You can centralize your data from any source with our data hub. Automate your data cleaning and reconciliation processes with smart data quality. Consolidate all of your patient data into a single view with patient insights. Track real-time performance of studies across your portfolio with operational insights. And transform raw data into submission-ready data with source-to-submission S2S. Let's start by taking a look at Saama's groundbreaking data hub. With an intuitive user interface and pre-built connectors, it's easy to upload data from any source system. As you can see here, we're setting up a standard connection to Rave EDC. Once all of your studies are onboarded and data sources connected, you can see how all your data sources are mapped with the click of a button. You can also quickly check the status of each data refresh, so you know your data is current and ready for downstream work. All of this in a single location, giving you and your teams a faster, more efficient way to work. For example, a top biotechnology company that centralized 40-plus data sources on Saama's data hub realized a 35% reduction in time to data discovery and an accelerated time to market across their portfolio. Now let's take a look at how smart data quality can automate routine data management tasks. Here, a data manager logs in and sees data discrepancies that the artificial intelligence and machine learning models found while they were asleep. Clicking on the first prediction, the system has identified duplicate adverse events. The data manager can then look directly at the source data within the same screen to confirm there is a discrepancy. Then they can make any changes necessary to the prediction and query text before approving the prediction and sending the query back to the source system. It is important to note the human is always kept in the loop, and no query is ever sent back to a source system without approval. A top 5 pharmaceutical company who implemented smart data quality found that they saved nearly 20,000 hours of manual work on a single study, and were able to go from data capture to query generation in less than 2 days. Now, let's take a look at how all the clean data can be leveraged to monitor patient progress with patient insights. With patient insights, you can visualize the full patient journey with interactive dashboards, tables, and graphs, as you are seeing here. Patient insights can even predict patient behavior, such as early withdrawal, adverse events, screen failure, and more, by analyzing patterns in your data. You can even click into those predictions, such as the early withdrawal prediction here, to understand which patients may be at risk, and even assign tasks to team members to proactively prevent a withdrawal. This makes patient insights one of the most powerful tools for monitoring patient progress and accelerating your time to market. A top oncology-focused pharmaceutical company implemented patient insights to help understand why their patient screen failed, discontinued treatment, or were lost to follow-up. Without patient insights, this information would have been missed by the team, trapped in multiple disparate systems. Now, let's take a look at how your centralized data can be leveraged to oversee your trial operations with Saama's Operational Insights. Operational Insights allows you to quickly visualize your trial operations. With over 50 KPIs and over 150 analyses pre-built into the system, it's easy to set up role-specific interactive dashboards for executives, study managers, site monitors, and more. Let's look at an enrollment dashboard for study managers. You can see that study managers can view data at the portfolio, study, country, and site level. Here we see a study level dashboard. You can view enrollment status as well as sites that have been activated. The graphs are interactive, allowing you to drill deeper into your data as needed with a single scroll or click. Within the dashboards, you can create and assign tasks. You can even recommend a resolution and assign it to a team member. Operational Insights makes it easy to collaborate across your teams to keep your studies on track. Now, let's take a look at how you can quickly transform your clinical data into submission-ready data at the end of your trial with Source to Submission, or S2S for short. Once your data sources are connected, Source to Submission automatically makes suggestions for complex SDTM mappings, as well as confidence scores for each mapping. This allows clinical programmers to quickly approve or reject each suggestion, rather than manually programming it themselves. Once mapping is completed, transformations can be scheduled to execute automatically, generating SAS transport files and Pinnacle 21 reports. A top 10 pharmaceutical company who implemented Source to Submission realized up to a 50% time savings per study for SDTM mappings, while maintaining the same data quality. Automating routine processes with Saama allows you and your organization to manage high volumes of clinical data with ease, do more with your existing resources, get treatments to patients faster. And that's how you accelerate your trials intelligently with Saama.